Hi, I'm Jesus Federico, Director of Products and Services at Blindside Networks and also part of the core developers of the BigBlueButton project. In this video, I want to show you how the integration of Moodle, the Moodle BigBlueButton plugin works with the new version of BigBlueButton 3.0. So what I have here is Moodle in the latest version, Moodle version 4.5. This will not be possible in previous version, only works with 4.5, and with some extended capabilities that we at Blindside Networks have developed. So in this case, I have a course where I have this setup. I have three activities, three of them with different dates, and I have also a BigBlueButton activity, room or activity. So the configuration here with this new sub-plugin that we have is BN Student Alerts. What I'm saying here is essentially enable this activity so we can check and link to the assignments that we have. Only link to the first assignment, assignment number 1, and I'm setting up these alerts so that we're going to be passing to BigBlueButton. As this is a flag that will indicate that is information is a warning or is critical depending on the date that have passed since the due date. So 5 days, 5 and 7 days respectively. So it's all I have here, and I have joined here as an administrator, but this works either for a teacher or administrator. So is the only thing I have to do is join the session, and we are already passing some information, or actually an endpoint where BigBlueButton is going to fetch some information in a secure form from Moodle. So as a moderator here, administrator will be a moderator. I have access to this new list, which is the attendance list. I can see here that none of the students is signing or has attended, and I don't see any either in the list of users. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna join the session with another user that I have here. This is a student, John Doe, and it has the same view. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna join the session. The session has not been completed because we haven't joined this, and I'm gonna say listen, and I don't have anything to see here. It's just the users. Because I'm a student here, but if I go back to the view as a moderator, I can see now that I have an alert, and this alert is coming from BigBlueButton, and it's telling me that John Doe will have one missing assignment with more than 7 days. So like this is critical because that's the setup I did. I also have here the full list, and as we can see here, is updated. So it's indicating that the user attended the list and is the session and is present. So we're gonna give it a second and do something else here. So some time has passed, and hopefully it's more than a minute. So we're gonna go back to the student and we're gonna leave the session. So we're leaving the session and going back to Moodle. There is nothing here yet. It's not completed because the data has not come back from BigBlueButton to Moodle. But let's go back for the moment to here, and now we see that the user attended but is no longer present. So BigBlueButton is monitoring the list, and based on the list of users, it's gonna give us the indication always of who is in the meeting at some point in time. So we're gonna end the session for everybody so we can have the information coming back to Moodle, and we're gonna give it a couple of minutes also to see what happens. I should mention here that the information that we receive is linked to this capability that is part of core already, which is the completions. So in this case, I have set up completions in a simple way, just requiring that the user view the activity. It's always going to happen when the user clicks into the room, and then require minimal attendance of 1 minute. It's all gray out here because I have some of the completions already that have happened. So there is nothing else to do here, And from the student perspective, so I'm going to refresh the page, and now I have it completed, meaning that the information has come, and it comes with the data that I mentioned. The student spent at least a minute in that session. So, in the way this information is coming, what we're doing with processing this information is we're taking it and with another subplugin which is called BN reports, and we are parsing it and generating some reports. What we are gonna see right here. Going back to here, so I have some reports because I'm an administrator here. I can have the custom report that I already created, or I could create a new one. Let's say rooms, because I have three new types of rooms or reports. There will be rooms, meetings, and attendees. So I could select rooms and say that this is gonna be rooms. This is gonna show me, if I go preview here, all the rooms in this site, and I could filter them and I could download them, etc. But the one I really care about right now is the one related to attendance. So I'm gonna do the same. This will be shown only because I am an administrator, a teacher. When they are enabled to see this report, they will not see all this edition. You'll see only the report. So in this case, I can see the report, and it's filtered here. Filtered to a previous room I had. So I'm gonna remove all the filters, and I see all the attendance that might happen. Again, because I, as an administrator, I have access to all the data. The one that I care about now is the session, the the meeting 30. So I'm gonna filter that, and I'm gonna say that I need to know that number. That's why the number is there. Meeting, no, what is it? Meeting ID 30 is equal to, yes, 30. We apply, and the filter is there. So I can see now here the teacher and well, moderator and viewer, depending on the role we had. So I'm gonna filter as well, because I only want the attendance based on role, so that I'm gonna see only the ones that are viewers. That's the one I want to see. So I can download the report as a PDF. I see the report, and there is our attendance. And that's it. Those are the reports, and this is how we communicate back and forth the information through these new versions, Moodle 4.5 and BigBlueButton 3.0. Thanks for watching.